What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. We are still here at Whim Estates. I know I promised you guys a tour of the 2-bed, 2-bathroom unit a very long time ago, but circumstances beyond my control, I am now here a couple months later to give you guys that tour. I would have already done the 2-bed, 1-bathroom unit. A lot of persons have moved in since then. They've been enjoying their property, but just in case you're not yet in, I'm here to show you what you can get in the 2-bed, 2-bath. And like I would have stated in the previous video, come August, more units will be going on sale. So just in case you watch that video and you still don't get your stuff them yet, you still have your time to do that, but don't wait until the last minute because the development is moving pretty fast. And if you don't know what the 2-bed, 1-bath look like, I did a video with that before. You can go ahead and watch that video. So I'm going to give you guys a run through of this 2-bed, 2-bathroom unit at Whim Estates, and then you guys can decide whether you're going to get your documents ready so that come August 2025, you will be first in line to put in your application. So guess what? I'm going to be giving this tour right now. guys, so I will be heading out right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. And for persons who are watching and you've already moved into your unit, drop us a comment down below. Tell us how you're loving the experience. If you have something you want to share to encourage somebody else to make a purchase, then you can go right ahead and do that. So guys, remember to get your pre-approval letter ready. Remember to have all your documents ready. If you don't get all the information that you need from this video, please reach out to sales representative at Whim Estates. You can also visit their website for more information, but do not miss the opportunity to buy into this development. So guys, bless up on yourself. It's peace out from ChriSamz. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment as always, because you guys are doing well with the comments. So I'll catch you guys in another video, at another place, at another time. I will be back here soon because the development is moving on a rapid pace. So as the information is ready, I'll give you guys all of the details and you don't want to miss that. So guys, take care until next time. So it's peace from ChriSamz.